8141 Backpacker Court. No wood framing to maintain around the garage. That's nice. Screen doors, a plus. Touch up this frame here. These are 2.5-inch wood blinds, faux wood blinds, but they are not white. So we'll see what Jenny says. I'm sure she may say, since they're already here, just leave it. The walls are very close to the color that we do, and this is as bright as I could get the rooms. Sorry. So as you can see, we have an accent wall over there. It's like an orangey adobe color. Okay. This is a beautiful yard. I don't think there's any dogs back there. We'll find out. So there is grass, but we do have this beautiful tiered paver system and these concrete and pavers over there. So we'll see what Jenny says about the grass. Generally it's a no-go because of the maintenance. These are blinds that are inside the glass itself. I'll leave them open for the lighting. There's a little bit of wear on the cabinets. Nothing unusual when you actually have people living in the property. Range looks nice. Stainless steel. So you walk through the laundry room to get to the garage. So this is a 2-car garage, but you have all of this fantastic storage space, which people will definitely utilize. As you can see, the current owners are. As well as the storage area here. Just a few stains in the carpet. The condition's good overall. These walls are green. The paint looks to be in good condition. Carpet looks good. This is a large room. It's a great closet, some natural lighting. This is vinyl in the closet. There we go. Carpet looks good. The walls look like they have a hint of a bluish gray, but it's mild. Vinyl. This is one of those tubs that has very little caulking and grouting, which is great. Less maintenance. Large master with vaulted ceilings. We have the faux wood blinds in place. Vinyl in the bath. It's about $5 a square foot to replace vinyl, except if there has to be hardy back installed, then the price goes up a tiny bit to about just over $6 a square foot. As you can see, it's a small area, so it's a fairly minor expense for a quality upgrade. This is a very large bathroom. A little bit of scrunching here in the carpet. I don't know if it's enough to trip over though. So, we'll see what Jenny thinks.